Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make the taskbar invisible in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly what you need to do is just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and can visit to this website link and just hit enter, and one file will be get downloaded. Just go to the folder where it's being downloaded and just double click it to extract this zip file. So now just open the extracted folder. Now you will see one tiny application named as Hide Taskbar. Just double click on it. Now it will get activated and you can see on the taskbar tray menu the icon is appearing, right? So you can close this. Now when I right click on it, you will see some option like suspend hotkeys or pause script, right? So in order to make your taskbar invisible, what you need to do is on your computer keyboard just press Ctrl and Escape. Now you can see here the taskbar has become invisible. So to make it visible again, just press Ctrl and Escape to make it visible again. So let me show you. So if I maximize it, and now let us press again Ctrl Escape. Now you can see here the taskbar, you can see at the bottom, is completely invisible. Now if you want to make it visible again, once again press Ctrl Escape. Now it will show up again. So using this tiny application named as Hide Taskbar, you can easily make the taskbar invisible in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.